Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. These new turtleneck sweaters from Free Assembly. It has this ribbed fold over top, and then the body is super soft, stretchy, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, seam fit through the back in the gray. They also have the blue with the red white and blue stripe, and these are $19. Also new cutout sweater from Sofia Vergara. So this has that fold over turtleneck, this cutout detail with the faux buttons, ribbed drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist. You could also see that gathering, the little balloon style with the ribbed bottom, and then that seam fit through the back. And they're $26. New blazer from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, lapel, relaxed to the wrists, lined on the inside. And that's what it looks like in the back. Has that little seam detail. Also new bodysuits from Celebrity Pink. So these has that square neckline, lace through the sleeve, and then the seam through the back. In the white, also comes in the pink, and they're $14. New cardigan from Celebrity Pink. So this one has the V neckline, has these pearled buttons, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with that scallop trim, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $19.50. And it also comes in pink with the same pearled button. Also new bodysuits from Celebrity Pink. So these have that elastic with the ruffle side seam, fitted through the wrist, soft like kind of pointel material with the hearts, and then the same fit through the back. In the red, also comes in the ivory, and they're $15. So new ribbed jackets from Time & Tru. So these have the mid-size button. It's a ribbed stretchy material, 2 flat pockets with the drop sleeve. Also has the button on the wrist with the scoop, and then hood in the back with the seam detail. One's online only, and I know they were marked down, but they're the chenille cardigans from Time & Tru. They're super soft, 2 front pockets, ribbed wrists, really good length. They have a bunch of colors online. New tie front top from No Boundaries. So this has the plunging V, this tie detail, has this little like swirly kind of graphic with the bell sleeve, and then the seam fit through the back, and you can see there's elastic that goes around. In the red, also in the black, and they're $13. So new shimmer tube tops from No Boundaries. So these are strapless, has the sticky on the inside, the little ruching with the slit, and then the seam fit through the back in the gold with the silver shimmer, also the black with the silver, and they're $10. So I have a new fold over top from No Boundaries. So this is a ribbed hatchy material. The other style is like soft and stretchy like t-shirt. Has the fold over with the ruching fitted through the wrist, also in the body. These only come in black and ivory, and they're $13. A new denim from Levi's. So these look like they're mid-rise. They have not really too much fading, and then the same fit through the back. $24.98. And then they also have a new black wash in the Levi's skinny. They're mid-rise, completely solid. And these are also $24.98. So new Henley top from Scoop. So this has that rounded neckline, half button, that side seam with the banded the wrist, also the banded bottom, and that seam fit through the back, and they're $20. So new from Sofia, Get Relaxed boyfriend cut. So this is called the Beatrix. Has the button, zip, cuff bottom, and you can uncuff it, so you can have straight leg, and then the seam fit through the back, and these are $25. New wash in the Margot boot cut. So these have the double button zip, the whiskering, they're really nice and flowy. Now in this lighter wash, we saw them in a mid-tone, we saw them in a dark wash, and they are $25. So new turtleneck from Free Assembly. So we saw this red and blue. Now they have this navy and white stripe. It's a ribbed stretchy material, fold over, really nice length, and then the seam fit through the back. Let's see a price. V-neck sweater from Time & Tru. So this has the plunging V side seam, that seam fit through the back. This one might be online only. New black denim jacket from Time & Tru. So this has the mid-size collar, full button, the button on the wrist, and then the same fit through the back. Also now flannel button-down crop shirts from the Stranger Things line. So these have the smaller collar, full button, drop sleeve, button on the wrist. It's that shorter kind of boxy fit. And then this graphic on the back. Also from the Stranger Things line are these wide leg sweatpants. These are high rise with the elastic waistband, that super soft fleece, side pocket, the seam detailing. It does have a graphic and the same fit through the back, and they're $17.98. So new poncho from Time and True. So this has that mock neck, has a little V at the bottom, same fit through the back, and they're $25. Hooded sweatshirt from Reebok. So this one has the wrap top, super soft fleece, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist. Also has the kangaroo pocket with the logo in the middle. Hood in the back in the gray. There's light blue, the green, and that orange, and they're $29. Also new, like similar style, are these tees. So they have the crew neckline, embroidered logo, relaxed fit in the white with the black. There's gray with the white, the blue with the white, beige on this side, black, green, and that orangey kind of rust color, and these are $14. Oh, they also have a pink. New bike shorts from Avia. So these have that high waistband, it's fitted, and then the V back. I guess they got new tags, like the Sophia. So in the burgundy, also in the black, and they're $14.98. Also in the soft sculpt material, they have these new long sleeve tees. So these have that side seam fitted through the wrist in the black, also blue, and the pink, and they're $14.98. New sneak peek colors in the Time and True zip up sweatshirt. So now they have this new lavender color. Their zip front, super soft fleece. They changed the zipper where it's the same color, the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. Also new is the red. So they brought back red, green, and then also new, I think this blue color looks a little different. They have blue, navy, and burgundy, and they're $15.98. Also new graphic sweatshirts from Terran Sky. So this is their plus line. Has that crew neckline, that raw hem, the ribbed wrist, and the pink with Grateful Dead. They have a gray with AC/DC. There's Yeehaw with the little cowboy boots. And then red says nice. Niceless Club. Oh, look, that's one's on sale. 13, I should get that. It's cute. And then it says Yellowstone. AC/DC and Grateful Dead aren't on sale. Nice Club is, that the cowboy boots isn't. But this Big Sky with the mountain is on sale. Next basic we're shopping for are layered friendly bottoms. These are pull-on from Time and True. You can really dress these up or down. They're soft material. They have that seaming, wide leg, and flowy. In the brown, they also come in black. They also have a few other colors online. They have the tapered pants from Time and True. These are flat front with the side pockets. They come in at the ankle with the trouser pockets in the back, and then the elastic. And these come in camel, also in black, and they're $17.98. Velour pants from Avia. So these have an elastic waistband, side pocket. They are jogger style, and then the same fit through the back. And they're $16.98. They also come in the black. Also have these long sleeve waffle tops from Time and True. So these have the swoop neckline, that ribbed wrist, longer fit in the burgundy brown. There's white, the beige, black, and navy, and they're $9.98. Also new leggings from Ozark Trail. So these are a base layer. They're really soft, stretchy. It says moisture wicking UPF 50. How pretty is that rust color? And then they have this teal. And then this color is an orange. And it looks like they're $16.98, but they're really soft. Oh, this is the mock top. And then this is also the mock top. The mock top is like a fleece lined tee. Well, they have all the rest of them. I don't know why they have some at the end. So we saw those. They also have this ribbed seamless from Ozark Trail. These are $10.98. There's the mock neck top. And then they also have the fleece line leggings. These look so soft and comfortable. In that rust, they also have the teal and then black. The base layer leggings also come in black. These are really soft that we saw those first. And then they also have the seamless and a long sleeve tee. So moisture wicking UPF 50 4-way stretch brushed interior in the orange. I got them all to match back. So it looks like the colors are orange, teal, black, and that mauve. And they have a fleece lined, a seamless, and then a base layer in all of the pieces, tops and bottoms, and they're all $10.96. We also have these new waffle crew necks from Fruit of the Loom. They have that scoop neck, waffle, ribbed wrists in the black and gray, and then also the waffle pants, elastic waistband fitted through the leg with the jogger bottom in the gray and also the black. Those are also $8.48. But I know there's a Mandela effect. Do you remember this logo with the cornucopia thing? Or do you just remember it because they're saying that there was no cornucopia? But I remember there being one. New flannel pajama pants from Joy Spun. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket in this brown and pink flannel. And they're $12.98. So new dollar socks. Look how soft. It's like a chenille material. In this blue, they have a pink. It says 26. Purple with the smiley faces, the red little hearts, black, a black with the pink hearts, and multicolor stripes. There's that pink, and those are all $1. Also have some fun Christmas hats from Way to Celebrate. So they have the velvet back, like ribbed with the Santa. There's this snowman. It's a different one. This little sweater, the cheers, and it lights up. Christmas tree. And then up here they have this style, the beanie with the elf. There's a Santa. And then up here they have the cowboy hat. There's that red one. This one with like the garland, the lights, and then the elf, and those are $10.97. Sneak peek denim jacket from Levi Signature. So these have this smaller collar, 2 flat buttons, button on the wrist, that seam detailing, and then the seam fit through the back with that seaming, and they're $36.98. So new sneak peek faux fur shaggy coat from Scoop. So this one has the hook and eye closure, has that feathered look, relax through the wrist, that seam kind of fit through the back. And they're $50. Let's look at these new plush pullovers. So they have the quarter zip, elastic on the wrists. In the Grinch, there's also Bluey on this side. In the black, they have like Stranger Things. And these are $19.98. Also have in the men's these quilted barn style jackets. So these have the corduroy lining, relaxed, and then it also has the quilting inside. Has that same kind of corduroy trim. And then the seam fit through the back. And then also, from Free Assembly, they have this one. So it's a barn coat with the corduroy collar. It's a twill material, the corduroy trim. And then it has this flannel lining with the zip front. And then the seam in the back. Men's, they have these new plush pullovers from No Boundaries. So these have the drop sleeve. It has the elastic wrist kangaroo pocket. And then the seam fit through the back. In this black and brown, they also have a green camo. There's the blue and gray, and they're $21.98. Men's have new zip front hoodies and like all the prints from No Boundary. So there's oversized fit, ribbed wrists, and then hood in the back. So they used to just have this style hoodie. So they have gray, the camo, and the beige, and then also the new sweatpants to match. These have an elastic waistband, that same soft fleece. True jogger bottom. Both pieces are $18.98 in all of those colors. The next winter basic we're shopping for are hats and beanies. These are from Time and True. They have that rounded top, fold over, stretchy, lots of colors in the gray, the black and gray speckled, black, purple, there's light blue, this is a new mint color, fuchsia, and they're $5.97. New sneakers from No Boundary. So these have the round toe that's metallic with the little like charm detail. I have a new color in this Look for Less from Time and True. So they have the round toe, the plush trim. I'm pretty sure these are on clearance right now. Also have Time and True. These are the genuine suede platform mules. These are only available online, and I'm pretty sure these are on sale. So they have the round toe, foam bottom. These are really nice and plush. Oh, they're from Joy Spun. So I think they're like regularly $22, and they're between $15 and $20. New Sherpa color in the clogs from Time and True. So these have the round toe, silver buckle. We saw them in that ivory. Now they're in the chocolate brown, and they're $22.98. Color in these moccasin style slippers from Deer Foam. So these have the round toe, the fur trim, rubbered bottom. Now in the black with the black. We also saw them in the burgundy. We saw them in the camel, and these are on sale. They're regularly $21. They're on sale online for $10. So new shimmery mules from Deer Foam. So these have the round toe. They have that hard rubbered bottom with the plush lining, and they're $20. New from Muckluck. So these have the round toe, the little, you could do clog style or the sling back, and these are $19. And also new from Mucklucks are these styles. So they have the round toe, rubbered bottom, that knit. These don't fold over like the other style we saw. And these are $25. Colors in these sneakers from Avia. So these have the round toe, genuine leather in this new baby blue color. They also have this new silver with the gold trim, a new copper with the ivory, and then the green with the white, and they're $22.98. New Madden NYC Western boot. So these have the pointed chunky heel, this embroidered detailing in the chocolate brown. So new slip-on sneakers from the brand Guyam. So these have the round toe, really light bottom, elastic toggle in the pink. Also comes in black with the silver, and these are $25. Also from the same brand, they have these slip-on sneakers. So they have the round toe, a little bit of a lift in the back, in this, oh, it's like a gray-green color, also the black, and they're also $25. So new velvet mules from Time and True. So these have the pointed toe, bow, kitten heel, and these are $22.98. New color in these slippers from Joy Spun. So these have the round toe, rubbered bottom, in the black. We saw them in like a gold color. They're $20.98. They are on that gold. We saw these like a couple months ago. I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.